Hi everyone, Patricio Jono here. Today's topic is still about entrepreneurship, and today I'm going to talk about digital marketing. Now, digital marketing, as the name implies, is a marketing which is done through digital means or through digital environment. What I'm going to discuss today is the concept of digital marketing and how we are going to do about the stuff and things that we can do for our digital marketing. Let's listen to my presentation. Yes, digital marketing. Now, what is digital marketing? It's a type of marketing that uses the internet and digital technologies to promote products or services. So the definition is quite simple. It's a type of marketing which uses the internet and digital technologies to promote products or services. Now the digital channels include search engines. You are familiar with Google, with Yahoo long time ago, and many other search engines. Also social media, email, websites, and mobile apps. Here you have numerous social media and digital means which you can use for digital marketing. The objective, of course, is to reach potential customers and drive engagement. Engagement means when they are attending to our social media, when they are attending to our digital content. When they read, when they look at the digital content, when they discuss our digital content, that's engagement. And then, more importantly, comes the concept conversions. Now, conversions is actually the act of making transactions. So it's not simply looking at your web page or your social media, but a user who want to convert will ask you questions, or will negotiate prices, or will buy, will click on the product or service that you are offering, and then there will be a transaction with you as the seller. That's conversions. So conversions is the thing that we are pursuing, that we are after. We want everybody to do conversions on our social media, on our digital content. And of course, loyalty. Loyalty means that if they like your products, then they will come back to you and they won't look into or look at your competitors because they are loyal to you. Okay. Now, another important concept of digital marketing is customer-centric approach. Customer-centric approach is an approach which is focused or centered on the customers. So see, this group of young people, these are your customers. Now, you have to understand your customer needs and your customer behavior. You have to run a survey, you have to interview them, you have to go and observe their daily habits. So you have to know who they are, who your customers are, who your target market are. So see from this picture, you can see you can probably have to identify their age range, and then their occupation. Are they student? Are they graduates? Are they office workers or business persons or unemployed? And then what they like, how they spend their spare time, what they do in their spare time, what are their expectations, what are their hopes, what are their desires, what are their fears, what are their worries. Now this is all about your customers. Your customer-centric approach will get you to know your customers better. So you have to you have to do some personalization and some targeting based on your data, on your user data. You have to know their demographics and their preferences, their options, their choices. And then you have to build relationships through engagement and relevant content. You have to build contents, you have to provide contents, you have to create contents which they like. Now that's a customer-centric approach. Another important principle in digital marketing is SEO and content marketing. Now, SEO is abbreviation for search engine optimization. It improves your visibility on search engines. So you have to make your SEO good. Yeah. So the better your SEO is, the more easily people find your business or find your names when they search in the search engines. If your SEO is bad, then when they go to the search engines and type, for example, English course or translation service, your business won't come up in the top rank. Maybe it comes up down there, yeah, far down there. So people will not notice it. But if your SEO is good, then somehow when they go to the search engines, the very first names that appear is the names of your business, is the names of your services. Yeah, so that's the use of SEO, search engine optimization, which we are going to learn later in our class. Yeah, and then content marketing is also important. It means delivering valuable, consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. So once again, no content, no business. If you cannot deliver good content which is appealing to your target customers, then forget it. You won't survive the business. You won't survive the competition. Yeah. So you have to make a great effort to deliver your valuable content. And so good SEO plus quality content results in higher ranking and more organic traffic. Organic means traffic which originally comes from your viewers, comes from the public. They are driven by the search engines. They are not instructed to go to your site, to go to your social media, but they find your social media, they find your business through a normal procedure of searching in search engines. That's organic. Yeah. Okay, so here is a simple visualization of how SEO is done. So you have to study the web page, and then you have to determine the keywords. The keywords are very important. And then you have to create good content. You add some relevant tags, yeah? And then you optimize. You make new content. You update keywords. If the keywords do not work, then you have to replace some keywords with some other more appealing, more enticing keywords. Yeah. So this is how SEO is done. Okay. Social media engagement. Yes, this is a must, compulsory in our digital marketing. Yeah. So your social media is a platforms that allow for direct interaction with customers. Your YouTube or your Twitter, your X, yeah, your Threads and your Instagram, they drive people's attention to you, and they can, if they are good, then you can interact with them. Yeah. And then the function of social media is to build brand awareness. It means you have to make people aware of your presence. You have to make people aware of your business. Yeah. And then you have to promote content. Your social media will also promote your content and also gather some feedback. Yeah. So you have platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc., and each serves different purposes and audiences. So see, this is the illustration of various social media out there which you can utilize to enhance your digital promotion, your digital marketing. Okay. Data analytics. Now we have to go into analytics or insight. Yeah. The other name is insight. It measures campaign performance using tools like Google Analytics. So if you click Google Analytics, you will be able to see how your social media perform. How many people have visited your social media? How many people have engaged in your content? How many people give them likes or give comments? Yeah, so this is the use of Google Analytics. Also, you have to determine the KPI or key performance indicators. So for example, if you just post posting on Instagram, your KPI will tell you that within a week your content or that posting will have to gather around 20 likes. Yeah, so that's your KPI. If it is fewer than 20 likes, then you fail to meet your KPI. But if you succeed in collecting 50 likes, then it's higher than your expectation, it's higher than the KPI, and then you succeed. Yeah. And then you also analyze key metrics, for example, traffic and conversions. I have explained what conversions is, and bounce rates. Now, bounce rates is when people look into your web page or into your social media, and then they take off, and then they go again, they go away. Now, that's bounce rate. That could mean that your social media or that your appearance out there is not interesting, it's not attractive, yeah, because they only look once and for a few seconds and then they go away. Yeah, that's bounce rate. Yeah. And then based on the insight or on the analytics, you have to optimize strategies based on the data to improve your ROI, yeah, return of or rate of investment, return on investment. Later we are going to discuss what ROI means. Yeah. So that's basically the principles or the essential materials or the essential elements of digital marketing. So that's it, guys. Good luck with your business and see you again in my next episode.